Good morning friends. Today I will start pyramid problems. This is called as a pyramid, square pyramid, because the bottom shape is called as a square. The front view look like a pyramid. That's why it is called as a square pyramid. In that problem is given the square pyramid 20 side. I will write data. Square pyramid 20 side means that side is called as a 20 and 35 axis length means the height of the pyramid is 35 axis equals 35 is placed on the HP, one of its edge. Here is a mention. Is resting on HP on one of its edge. The base which is inclined to VP means VP angle is given VP equals 30 degree. This is the third step. The HP is the second step. The projection of the pyramid when the axis inclined to HP at 45 degree is given. 45 degree, the 30 degree. In the third step is not mentioned anything, so that's why it is called a edge problem. First time side square, the side is 20 20. A is a visible, B is a visible, C, D. In the front view, A, B, C, D is a visible. O and O1. O is not visible. So you have to take O, A, projection from all the corners. Axis length is given 35 measure 35. After that, just you have to join the corner. The center line is called the axis line. You have to draw. The axis line. From the bottom view, the B dash is a visible, A dash is not visible, C is a visible, D dash is not visible, the O dash is a visible, O1 dash is not visible. After that, the triangle you have to incline. The triangle you have to incline at 45 degree. The 45 degree to incline. That's why we have to write axis line, because this is a center, so that's why you have to write axis line. You have to incline at 45 degree. If it is inclined at 45 degree, this is a 45 degree axis line. You have to find out the angle. You know that is called as a 90. The triangle angle is 180 minus 45 minus 90. Then you will get this angle. 180 minus 45 minus 90 will get 45 degree. So now you have to draw using 45 degree from the right side. For example, we'll select this point. You have to take angle left side 45 degree, because to find out the angle is 45 degree. After that, you have to take compass, select C to A, using A to O1, next to B to O1, join the triangle. The center line C to O, axis line. The the axis line is 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. This is a 90. After that, you have to project. The point is called as P dash to A dash, C dash to D dash, O1, O. So A need to project. This part is called as A. So B is the same line. C is the same line. D, A, B, C, but in the top view, the point is not visible. C to D, so C to D, dotted line. After that, you have to find out center also. The point is called the O. Next, you have to find out O1. O1 line is called the O1. The center of the O1. Join from O1 all the corners. From O1, join that line. Join D. Join C and B. The center line is called the axis line. That's it. If it is inclined 45 degree, the pentagon will look like this type of pentagon. Now, in the third step, VP angle is 30 degree with respect to edge. I have to take distance parallel to XY line, 30 degrees given. Measure 30. Draw the line. Next, this edge is placed on, in the question given, edge is placed on second step. The second step, edge is a D to C, is placed on the angle. The angle is 30 degree. The angle is 30 degree. You have to select any one point. See, I will show you. D to C you have to place on the line. The first point is called as a D. The first point is called as a D. This one is a D, and the C placed on the line. After that, by using 2 points, you have to find out remaining 3 points. For example, this is called as a D. D to A and C to A. Will get A. Similarly, D to B, G to B, and C to B. That point is called as C. Now, D to O, C to O, same distance. Join all the corners. Go to A and go to C. Remaining the center of O need to find out. So C to O, D to O, this point is called as a O1. Next, finally, You want we'll be drawing, so that's why just you have to project from A. Here is the A point. Draw an horizontal line until it touches A point. A dash. Same. Project B point. The same B. Project C point. C. Project D point. That point is called D. A, B, C, D. Now we join all the points A, B, C, D, A. Now the O need to project O. The part is called O. 1. Just you have to join O to A, O to B, O to D, and O to C. So finally you have to project O to O1. Which point is called O dash, A dash, B dash, C dash. Join center line O. That is called a square pyramid problem with respect to edge. Thank you.